In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use citations in Google NotebookLM to verify answers. By the end, you'll know exactly how to ask better questions, trace every claim back to your sources, and decide whether the AI is quoting directly or making an inference, so you can trust the output with confidence. First, everything starts with good sources. Upload reliable PDFs, docs, websites, or videos that are accurate, complete, and relevant to the question you want answered. Prioritize original documents, official reports, peer-reviewed papers, or reputable sites. Make sure the files aren't partial drafts or excerpts missing key sections, and avoid mixing unrelated topics in the same set of sources. The more complete and focused your library is, the fewer gaps the model will need to fill. If your topic is time-sensitive, check publication dates and include the most up-to-date materials available, so your answers reflect the current state of knowledge. Next, ask a focused question. Broad prompts usually produce vague answers, so be specific about the outcome you want. For example, you might ask, "What are the main arguments in this document?" or narrow it further by requesting arguments from a particular chapter or section. Clear, scoped questions help the model pull directly from the parts of your sources that matter most and make it easier to confirm each claim later. When you get an answer, click the citation to verify it. NotebookLM attaches citations that link straight to the exact spot in the document. Use those links to jump to the passage, then read a little above and below for context. You're checking whether the wording in your source supports the claim in the answer, and whether the source actually says what the model suggests it says. As you compare, decide if the information is explicitly stated or if it's only a summary or inference. Explicit means you can point to a sentence or figure that directly matches the claim. An inference means the model combined ideas or read between the lines. Inferences aren't automatically wrong, but they require extra caution. If you need certainty, prefer statements you can quote or clearly paraphrase from the text. If the answers feel unreliable, force strict citations. Tell the model, answer using only the uploaded sources and include citations. This instruction limits the response to what's actually in your library and ensures each claim is tied to a specific citation. Review the updated answer the same way. Click each citation, check the passage, and confirm it truly supports the point. That's the flow. Start with reliable, relevant sources, ask a focused question. Click and read the citations. Distinguish explicit statements from inferences. And, when in doubt, require strict citations. Build this habit, and you'll get faster, more trustworthy results every time.